Okay, this is going to be today's creepy video for Friday, January the 13th, 2017 for Drummond Energy Bands. Today, before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 67 would be a very significant line in the sand because we've got strong crowd energy above it. And we said the best bet would be for price to flush lower. Above it, we could pop higher. We gave some targets. But let's look at some of our traders and how many of our traders look at the market with these levels every day, but also understand there's some objective black and white patterns that they have to be aware of that take place on bar close. Now, what you're noticing is what we call an exhaust pattern right here on this close, this black dot. We know that on the next bar's resistance here, we're going to be looking at taking advantage, going short. So this also just took place here on our focus chart because we look at multiple time periods. Right here on close, we have an exhaust. Okay. Now, what is important to recognize is that when this higher chart bar here on the left closes here, price is closing right here. Okay. And you'll notice at that time, what we have is we've got a wall of resistance put in. We've got these two bars, this one and this one, and they match. They're identical. So for somebody very aggressive wanting to fade this exhaust pattern, this is exactly where we're going to be looking at shorting, right? And that comes in at this price right in through here. 73.5. We look at the higher chart, we're looking at 73.25. So 73.5, 73.25. Now, does it make sense that the market sold off from there to you now? Okay, we like to wait for red brick. Now, the opportunity is that the market's going to move back to this white dotted midline right here, and you can see that it, within a tick or so, made it back to that point. Now, is the trade over yet? Well, for somebody aggressive just shorting back, you may have lifted, all of your trade and exited. For somebody that's recognizing what's going on here today, above this 67 level, this yellow line here, we're getting strong crowd energy to the upside. We've got crowd strong energy above this yellow dotted line. So the answer is the market is very, very strong here today. And the market will definitely want to probably challenge this crest of resistance right here. There'll be some rocking and rolling before it rolls over. And if it's going to roll over, we're going to see price get below this 67 and then make its way on back down to this solid white midline here, back at about 22.60. If you have any questions, send them over. Join us on our weekly webinars and watch our daily videos and daily market reports on our blog. Thank you for your interest.